Hello everyone, welcome to the online session of social science. Today we will see geography and the topic is types of farming. As far as farming is concerned, it is mainly classified into two, that is subsistence farming and commercial farming. But when we talk about subsistence farming, it has been divided into two, that is intensive subsistence and primitive subsistence. Once again, primitive subsistence has been divided into two categories, that is shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. When we talk about commercial farming, it has been classified into three, that is commercial grain farming, mixed farming and plantation agriculture. So let's start. First category of subsistence farming. Intensive subsistence agriculture is practiced in the thickly populated areas of the monsoon regions of South, Southeast and East Asia. Primitive subsistence agriculture includes shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. Now let's start shifting cultivation. It is practiced in the thickly forested areas of Amazon basin, tropical Africa, parts of Southeast Asia and Northeast India. These are the areas of heavy rainfall and quick growth of vegetation. Shifting agriculture is also known as slash and burn agriculture. Farmers clear a plot of land by felling trees and burning them. The ashes are mixed with the soil and crops like maize, potatoes, etc. are grown. When the soil fertility decreases, the farmers shift and clear a fresh patch of land for cultivation. This type of shifting allows nature to replenish the fertility of the soil through natural process. Land productivity in this type of cultivation is low, as the farmers do not use fertilizers and other inputs. It is known by different names in different parts of the world, like Jhuming in northeastern states of India, Milpa in Mexico, Roca in Brazil, Ladang in Malaysia and Ray in Vietnam. Now second one is nomadic herding. It is practiced in semi-arid and arid regions of Sahara, Central Asia and some parts of India like Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir. Nomadic herding is a system of raising animals by allowing them to graze on natural vegetation. The herders do not grow any fodder but move from place to place in search of pastures and water for their animals along defined routes. As they do not have high breed of animals, yields of milk and meat are low, just sufficient to meet their requirements. The animals raised are sheep, goats, camels, etc. People trade of animal skin, wool and bones of animals. Now let's start commercial farming. The main characteristic of commercial farming is the use of high doses of modern inputs like chemical fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides and high yielding variety of seeds in order to get more output. Most of the work is done by machines. In commercial farming, crops are grown and animals are reared for sale in market. The area cultivated and amount of capital invested is large. Commercial farming includes commercial grain farming, mixed farming and plantation agriculture. Now let's study these three in detail. First, commercial grain farming. In this type of farming, crops are grown for the purpose of sale in the market. Wheat and maize are common commercially grown crops. Major areas where commercial grain farming is practiced are temperate grasslands of North America, Europe, and Asia. They are thinly populated areas. Farms are extensive, spreading over hectares of land. Single crop is grown in a year because of severe winter. Next is mixed farming. In this type of farming, land is used for growing food grain, fodder crops, and rearing animals. It is practiced in Europe, Argentina, New Zealand, South Africa, etc. And next one is plantation agriculture. It is also known as monoculture. In this type of farming, a single crop is grown over a large area. Plantations use huge tracts of land using capital-intensive inputs with the help of laborers. In India, tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, banana are important plantation crops. Tea in Assam and Bengal, coffee in Karnataka are the major plantation crops of these states. Since the production is mainly for market, a well-developed system of transport plays a very important role in the development of plantations. So that is all for today, everyone. Some important crops we will see in our next session. Thank you.